Hey everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and it's been a little bit on my nickel boxes, so I picked up this nickel box from a Chase Bank that's brand new branch, and it's about 4 miles from my house, and it's kind of a weird branch. It's like a satellite location, so I didn't even think I could get a box of nickels there. They had one teller that was there, plus like 5 ATMs inside. It was so weird. Anyway, picked it up anyway to see what I could find, so let's go ahead and open up this box. Hope that it's circulated nickels, and see if there's a little bit of luck from a bank that just opened. All right. The nickel rolls look a little bit older. Let's see what we got in here. Well, definitely got circulated nickels. All right, as always, I'll be checking the enders as I go through them, and we'll loop you in if I find anything cool. These are kind of weird. Look at these. Got a couple of rolls that are just white rolls. You guys ever seen that before? Interesting. All right, let's start looking. Okay, guys, finally, roll 22. Got our first 1940s nickel, 1946, Philadelphia. It's our first coin pre-50s. We do have 252s, a 56 and a 59 to go along with a couple of really beautiful 1979s and 3 2009s. So we'll get back to the hunt. Maybe we'll find some more cool finds. Roll 24, another 40s coin, 1941, Philadelphia. It's our oldest of the box. 2 from the 40s, 5 from the 50s. Roll 25, guys, and check it out. The 1939. Does it have a mint mark? Nope. But starting to heat up. Got our first 30s coin of the box, second year Jefferson nickel. And I thought I saw an odd one back here. Ooh, has a silver look to it. It's not. It's a 48 Denver. We'll take it though. Third coin from the 40s. Check it out, guys. Roll 28. We got a Canadian ender. That's pretty cool. Yep, Canadian ender. 1985. First foreign of the box. We'll take it. And we'll get back to the hunt. We're on roll 37. Finally got another 40s coin here. 1946, Philadelphia. We'll take it. Fourth from the 40s. All right, roll 44. Got another 40s coin here. 1941. Looks like it's Denver. Nope, San Francisco. We'll take it. All right. Fifth from the 40s. Well, that box of nickels is done. And you know what? I've had better boxes. We didn't find any buffaloes. We didn't get any silver. And I still can't find myself coin roll hunting a V-nickel. But we got our usual good stack of 2009 Ds. A couple of really nice 1979 coins. And this first one, you know, just about has full steps. So that's good. We found a Canadian. We've got 7 from the 50s. A couple of 52s. A 56, 2 57s, a 58, and a 59. We got 5 from the 40s, a couple of 41s, 2 46s, and a 48. And then we also found a 1939, so some good old Jeffersons. It had been a while since I'd done nickels, and I was so happy to pick up a nickel box, and I was glad that I could hunt it. Wish I would have found more for you guys, but not this time. We'll keep looking. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.